There's a place that does things differently, a place we like to call home, and a space you can call Villa Diana. Our customers are our top priority. We've heard your call for good and enjoyable food, faster connections, more parking, less noise, and more peace and quiet. You crave the amenities of the city, fused with the tranquility of nature. Amidst our majestic mountains and tropical gardens lies the picture-perfect venue for your next event, wedding, team-building getaway, or simple break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. We're logging our customers out of mediocrity and into the treatment they deserve. Your next visit is just a phone call away. After all, you shouldn't feel like a stranger in a hotel. Feel at home with Villa Diana, where nature meets comfort.